Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls open beta game on your PC via the Steam launcher for free. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and insert the store, search for Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls and then click on Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls open beta. Scroll down and here you will see download Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls open beta. So click on download button and here you will see Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls open beta. File size is 15.2 GB. So click on install button, then go to library and here you can see Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps you can also download and install Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls open beta game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.